Hi everyone, let's take a look at the performance dashboard on the new platform. On Getaround now, all owners will have access to a performance dashboard which highlights several interesting key performance indicators regarding earnings and quality. Let's take a look at the performance dashboard for this fictional owner. The first thing we would like to highlight here are obviously your earnings. Earnings are a very important metric that we know all of our owners are interested in learning more about, so you can see a breakdown by month, as well as the difference between confirmed and predicted earnings, which represent future bookings. All of the data in this earnings tab can be filtered either by year or by week, and also filtered to a specific car if you'd like to look into how a given car is performing. You can also see occupancy rate, which is a calculation of how frequently your cars are used on the platform. Availability, which is an indicator of how open your calendar is on the platform. More specific definitions can be seen by clicking on the little tooltips here. Something that's great about the dashboard is that all of the data can be downloaded if you'd like to crunch it yourself. There's also a quality tab in this dashboard that enables you to oversee some important quality metrics on the platform that have been mostly supplied by drivers who've been booking your cars. You can see the overall annual rating of your cars that you've been given by drivers through the review process, your cancellation rate, which is a very important metric on the platform, overall and split out by month, as well as your cleanliness rating, which is provided by drivers during check-in. The final metric you can see is the percentage of rentals where a safety report has been declared by a driver, indicating that something is up with your car and it needs to be fixed. We hope this earnings and quality dashboards will help you grow your business on the platform and increase the quality of your fleet. Thank you.